the corridors that remain, we should protect those corridors, because if we wipe out those corridors, the animals will not be able to move from one park to another park. If you look at Serengeti National Park in Tanzania and Masai Mara, the two governments aligned those parks together because they border one another. So now you have an annual migration of about 1.2 million wildebeests that move annually from Masai Mara to Serengeti, and then from Serengeti back to Masai Mara. And that creates an influx of herbivores that also help the population of the predators, such as lions, hyenas, leopards, cheetahs, and African wild dogs. So that boosts the tourism in those countries. That's why you have an influx of tourists coming from all over the world to go to these parks in our fellow East African countries like Tanzania and Kenya. So if Uganda can protect its corridors, like the one that I explained to you between Virunga National Park and Queen Elizabeth, and create more wildlife corridors, we'll have the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's been a good experience. I'd like to thank the management of Windy National Park for an amazing tour of their biodiversity, especially the mountain gorillas that are in this park. I'm very much encouraged by the growing numbers and how they are tolerable of human presence. So once again, it is sad that we're leaving, but at least we have gone away with some experiences and some good takeaways, and I encourage the rest of the country, Ugandans, to come and visit and see what they have in their backyard. Thank you.